a timeless tradition begins. The first New Year's Eve ball drop. As the 19th century gave way to the 20th, New Year's Eve celebrations were already a cherished tradition. However, something extraordinary was about to happen in the heart of New York City that would elevate the festivities to a whole new level. In 1904, Longacre Square in Manhattan was renamed Times Square after the New York Times moved its headquarters to the newly built Times building. Little did anyone know that this iconic location would become synonymous with New Year's Eve celebrations worldwide. The owner of the Times building, Adolph Ochs, had a brilliant idea to celebrate the end of 1907 and welcome 1908 in grand fashion. He envisioned a spectacle that would captivate the city. A ball drop, inspired by maritime timekeeping. Ochs wanted to signal the precise moment of midnight to the crowd below. On the night of December 31st, 1907, as the final seconds of the year ticked away, a 700-pound iron and wood ball adorned with 125-watt light bulbs descended from the flagpole atop the Times building. The sight was a marvel, and the event instantly captured the imagination of New Yorkers. The ball drop in Times Square quickly became a symbol of hope and renewal in the midst of a rapidly changing world. The annual ritual offered a moment of unity and reflection for people from all walks of life. It marked the passage of time and the promise of a fresh start with the coming year. Over the years, the New Year's Eve celebration in Times Square continued to evolve. The original ball was replaced with more sophisticated versions, incorporating advancements in technology and design. The event grew in scale, drawing crowds from around the globe and becoming a focal point of global attention. Today, the New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square is a global phenomenon. Millions of people gather in person, while billions more tune in from afar to witness the dazzling spectacle. The event has transcended its local origins to become a symbol of unity, joy, and the shared optimism that comes with the beginning of a new year. The legacy of the first New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square endures as a testament to the power of tradition and communal celebration. What began as a local event in 1907 has grown into a symbol of global unity, reminding us all that, no matter where we are, the arrival of a new year is a moment to come together, reflect, and look forward with hope. The first New Year's Eve ball drop in Times Square was more than a spectacle. It was the birth of a tradition that would transcend generations and captivate the world. As the ball descends each year, it symbolizes not just the passage of time, but the shared aspiration of humanity for a brighter future, one that begins with the promise of a new year.